Hello students, welcome to the topic of preparing of a surface for varnishing by smoothing plane. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare the surface for varnishing.
Materials and equipment. Smoothing plane. Workbench. Wooden piece. Job sequence. Set the prepare surface for varnishing by smoothing plane for planning. Place the job on the work block and using with bot stop. The nail and screw should be just below the wooden surface for varnishing. Set the gap between cap iron and cutting iron as 2 mm in the smoothing plane. The cutting edge is sharpened slightly oval across the cutting iron. The edge of the cutting iron placed 0.001 mm extended from the base of the smoothing plane. Start planning from one end to other end. Apply the pressure evenly. Plane along the grain. Adjust the plane to make finishing cuts to remove the scallops left by initial cuts. Initial cuts should be wide, about 3/4 of the width of 2-inch wide blade. The thickness of the shaving should be in the range of 0.005 thick. Now you are ready with smoothing plane to make finishing cuts. For finishing cuts, set up a half wide shaving should come from the middle of the blade and it should be transparent 0.001 to 0.002 thick. Go over the entire surface twice laterally between cuts by only a half. At this point, the surface will be incredibly smooth. You can actually look at the surface at an oblique angle, see a reflection in the wooden surface. Finish wooden surface for varnishing.
In this video, we learn about preparing the surface for varnishing.